how to turn off likes notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off likes notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click the storylines in top corner and then click settings. Here you will find notifications and go down until you find likes and then just turn it off by one click, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.